size. Find, I'm joking, find T6. T6 is just member number 6 of a sequence or series. All right. So this is term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, term number 6 is 14. What about term number 10? This would be term number, the next one, this would be the next one, this would be the next one. So this is 6, T6, T7, T8, T9. T10 would be 26. Yes. So therefore T10 is 26. We all got those answers, yeah? 26. All of us. Proper stuff. Now, let us go ahead and find S6 and S10. S6, what does this mean? It means what is the sum of the first 6 terms of this arithmetic sequence? What is the sum of the first 6 terms? So it's the sum of which terms until term 6. And now, to make it easy for yourself, now just do this. Just do that, highlight the first 6 terms, and then just copy what you see as it is, as is in your calculator. You're gonna get to the right answer. So let me do that on my side. 1 minus 1 thingy. So I'm just copying everything. Okay, just punch that into your calculator as it appears. So it will be 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. Did you guys also get 39? Who got a 39? All of us, yeah? Who got a 39? Alright. Proper stuff. Huang, Tsapang, 39. Junior, yes? Thumbs up. Cool, cool, cool. S10 now is just the sum of the first 10 terms. You're adding the first 10 terms. So since you already have the first 6, just add the 1, 2, 3, 4. So just go 39 plus these 4. 17 plus 20 plus 23 plus 26. That's about that. You don't have to waste time writing everything from scratch. That's being inefficient. 125. Oh, good. Okay, this is super nice. Right, so yeah, what if they ask you to find S as 100? Whoa, 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 that is too much, eh? It'll take you like, I don't know how many minutes. It'll take you long, right? But you'll be pleased to know that, as always, there's a shortcut to this, right? So now we're gonna use the shortcut, right? To find S6, ne? Remember we got the answer of 39 for S6. We're gonna use a shortcut for that. Or rather, let's use something that is as simple as this. Let's use this, the first 3 terms. I'm gonna rewrite everything. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 11 plus 14 plus da 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 da. So S3, the sum of the first 3 terms, it is just these 3. Even if this thing came as a sequence like this, and they ask you to find S3, it's still the same procedure, just put plus in between. This gave us 6, yeah? So S3 equal to 6. Now let us use this shortcut that I'm talking about. What is the shortcut? The shortcut says the formula for the first n terms, or the formula of the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is, or arithmetic sequence is this. It's n there, open bracket, big bracket, 2a, sorry, plus d, n minus 1 in brackets, close the brackets, all over 2. This is the formula for it, where the n is just the n. You guys know that. If they're looking for S3 in place of n, we're going to put 3. Then A, we all know that this is T1. The A, D, we know that this is the constant difference. Constant difference. So that's about that. That is the formula. Let us see if it works. Let us test if we get the same answer of 6 if we calculate S3. Put a 3 there, open bracket. So now, guys, please note that this is the formula, right? It's got like these brackets here, it's got square brackets outside. Now, please note that, don't forget this. Whenever you apply this formula, right, or rather, sorry, that instant you substitute, right, when you substitute, turn this thing into a normal bracket. This gives us -1, the first term. ID is +3. 3 minus 1, just like that. Same with this one, we put it as a normal bracket all over 2. I'm going to ask you guys to take out your calculators and punch this thing for me. Now, your punching of this is a skill. So there are like more than of the around 700,000 learners who wrote, sorry, not 700,000, no, less. Around about 5 or 600,000 learners who wrote maths this year. I'm telling you, more than 100,000 didn't punch this thing right in the calculator and got a wrong answer as a result. So please punch this thing and confirm if you get a 6. Proper stuff. The next person, Tlali and Huang, are you also getting a 6? Yeah? That is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. That's English people. Those people exaggerate. Like, don't be like, that is correct, or that is the correct answer. Be like, that is absolutely terrific. They won't say something normal, bro. Like, it's crazy. But anyways, it's them. It's not us. Sharp. So now, can you guys find me as 100, or rather, no, get us as 10 and see if we get the same answer of 125. Let's go. Same answer of 125. I'm also gonna do it on my side. I don't wanna substitute it for you because yeah, I'm just giving you everything on a silver platter. I want you to work for it. I want to give you on a silver platter. Why am I getting a different answer? What is, oh nah, I see why. Yes. Are we all getting 125? When you're not done, don't decide to say that you're not done. Okay. So yeah, that's 125. That is the answer should get. I need to show you something. Yeah, guys, can you please know when you calculate this, when you punch this for fitune, just to save time, you can actually save 10 seconds from this thing. You can go 3 when you punch 3 and then here instead of you writing 2 times -1, just put -2 plus 3. Instead of you writing 3 -1, just put times 2 there because it's just what close it to there. This will save you like around about 10 seconds, and then if you carry over the same practice um, carry over the same practice in the other questions, you'll save 10 seconds or more with every question that you do, and eventually it could amount to maybe 30 minutes, and then you may have 30 minutes of extra time at the end to check all of your answers. As I always say, I always finished 1 hour 30 minutes in a 3-hour paper. Then I had 1 hour 30 minutes to look at my answers and check if everything is correct. So you should also adopt the same practice. Sharp. Yeah, so yeah, that's about that in terms of